refresh your ride with the clean scent of nature using the best natural car air freshener. Designed to eliminate odors without harsh chemicals, this eco-friendly option keeps your car smelling fresh, naturally, and safely every time you drive. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Hitolza Car Air Freshener. The Hitolza Car Air Freshener stands out for its stunning waterfall-inspired design and intelligent technology, making it one of the most innovative choices for natural in-car fragrance. Inspired by the iconic Niagara Falls, the design mimics the smooth flow of cascading water as it diffuses refreshing scent throughout your car. This aesthetic doesn't just look good, it's practical too. The Hitolza is equipped with the advanced A8 Pro smart chip, which enables automatic on-off activation based on vehicle vibration. It powers up when you start driving and shuts down when the car is turned off, offering a seamless and energy-saving experience. You can also control the intensity of the fragrance and the LED lighting settings to match your mood or driving environment. One of its most impressive features is the ultra-fine misting technology. Unlike traditional air fresheners that rely on alcohol-based sprays or gel diffusion, this device atomizes essential oil into fine 5 UM particles. This ensures a more even distribution and longer-lasting fragrance. Additionally, the oils are completely natural, alcohol-free, and non-toxic, meeting the strict EPA Safer Choice standards, making this a safe choice for families, including children and those with allergies or sensitivities. Number 2. Ceeniu Enlarged Car Air Freshener. The Ceeniu Enlarged Car Air Freshener is a smart and stylish addition to any vehicle, blending technology with long-lasting natural fragrance. Designed for modern drivers, the sleek unit features elegant blue ambient lighting that adds a premium touch to your car's interior. But it's more than just looks. The Ceeniu CF12 is engineered for convenience and sustainability. It automatically powers on when your vehicle starts and shuts off when the car is parked, saving both time and energy. This smart operation is perfect for those who don't want to deal with manual controls. Plus, the device offers 3 adjustable scent modes, so users can personalize the fragrance intensity depending on the environment or preference. One of its standout features is the extended battery life. With a built-in 700 mAh rechargeable battery, the unit can operate for up to 60 days in light mode on just a 2-hour charge. This makes it ideal for those who prefer low-maintenance freshness. The included 45 ml refill is crafted from natural scents sourced from the renowned Roberti fragrance house in France and is safe for children, pregnant women, and elderly passengers. The scent lasts for up to 4 months, providing great value and a consistent aromatic experience. Durability is also top tier. Ceeniu backs the product with a 1-year warranty and promises resolution of any issue within 12 hours through its Ceeniu Care service. This gives users peace of mind when investing in a smart diffuser. The air freshener works best with Ceeniu branded refills to avoid clogs or damage, ensuring optimal performance. Whether you're buying it for yourself or as a thoughtful gift for a friend or family member, the Ceeniu CF12 offers a luxurious, health-conscious fragrance solution that elevates your daily commute. It's ideal for anyone seeking reliability, modern design, and clean, natural scent diffusion in a single product. Number 3. Ceeniu Ultrasonic Car Air Freshener. The Ceeniu Ultrasonic Car Air Freshener is a perfect blend of high-tech functionality and premium fragrance performance. It utilizes advanced ultrasonic misting to deliver visible, ultra-fine bursts of scent that immediately transform your car's atmosphere into a relaxing oasis. Designed for comfort and convenience, the diffuser automatically turns on and off based on vehicle motion, eliminating the need for manual control and ensuring effortless operation. Whether you're commuting or road tripping, the diffuser creates a refreshing environment that lasts. Constructed with a durable aluminum alloy housing and featuring a dual leak-proof design, the Ceeniu F26 model is built to last. This high-quality construction adds a sleek, sophisticated look to your car while providing long-term reliability. The built-in battery is another major asset. It requires only a 1-hour charge to deliver up to 2 months of uninterrupted scent in normal use. This makes it ideal for those who prefer low-maintenance products. Ceeniu uses SGS-certified natural essential oils sourced from France, which are completely alcohol-free and safe for use around children, pregnant women, and seniors. The 45 ml refill provides up to 4 months of continuous freshness. With no harmful additives, this air freshener ensures a clean and safe breathing environment for all passengers. In the rare event of a problem, Ceeniu offers exceptional customer support, promising resolution or replacement within 12 hours.
Number 4. Ceeniu Ambiance Car Air Freshener. The Ceeniu Ambiance Car Air Freshener elevates the driving experience with its large-capacity fragrance system, whisper-quiet performance, and natural essential oils. Designed for long-term use, it features a 135ml cartridge of 100% natural French essences, sourced from the reputable Robertet Fragrance House. This generous volume allows the diffuser to deliver freshness for up to 6 months, making it one of the longest-lasting options on the market. Whether you're navigating traffic or enjoying a peaceful weekend drive, this air freshener provides consistent, soothing scent. Its smart features make daily use effortless. The device includes a vibration sensor and smart chip that activate the unit automatically when your car starts and turn it off when parked. This ensures no energy is wasted and you never forget to turn it on or off. You can also toggle between 2 scent intensity modes, light or strong, based on personal preference or vehicle size. A standout feature is the pressurized centrifugal turbo motor that rotates at 1200 RPM to deliver a steady stream of fragrance without any noticeable noise. At less than 35 dB, it's one of the quietest models available. Additionally, the chlorophyll-infused scent molecules offer a natural and invigorating aroma that promotes healthier air circulation. Users can even create their own blend of oils for a DIY aromatic experience. Number 5. CIYKELC Car Air Freshener. The CIYKELC Car Air Freshener is a powerhouse of long-lasting fragrance, smart design, and modern aesthetics. With a massive 180ml oil reservoir, it offers up to 270 days, around 9 months, of continuous scent with 0 alcohol or harmful additives. This makes it an excellent choice for those who value health and longevity in their in-car environment. Using ultrasonic technology, it operates in 2 misting modes, turbo boost for rapid diffusion and silent mode for subtle freshness. It features USB-C charging and a multi-mode LED lighting system, including a unique starry skylight and ambient glow. These design touches make it not only functional but also visually appealing. The included jasmine-based fragrance is particularly sophisticated. Notes of moonlit jasmine and violet petals merge with citrusy forest air, finishing with warm sandalwood and mahogany. The result is a luxurious and gender-neutral scent that evolves with time. This layered fragrance adds emotional depth and comfort to every drive. The CIYKELC diffuser is a complete package for drivers who want more than just air freshening. It's a statement of style, technology, and wellness. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.